RDP Shortpath enhances your remote desktop protocol experience by improving connection reliability, reducing latency, and increasing bandwidth. It's ideal for both managed and public networks. First, let's set up RDP Shortpath for managed networks. To use RDP Shortpath for managed networks, you must enable a UDP on your session hosts. Enable RDP Shortpath on your session host. This allows the session host to listen for incoming connections on UDP port 3390. Ensure your network settings allow direct connectivity between the client and session host. This means no firewalls or network security groups blocking the connection. Once configured, your RDP traffic will switch to the new connection, improving performance for remote graphics, device redirection, and more. Now let's set up RDP Shortpath for public networks. This is ideal for environments where direct connectivity isn't possible. Enable RDP Shortpath on your session host, just like with managed networks. Configure your session host to use stun and turn servers. Stun helps establish the external IP address, while turn relays traffic when direct connections aren't possible. With RDP Shortpath enabled, your connection will automatically switch to the fastest path, whether direct or relay-based, ensuring a smooth remote desktop experience. Azure Private Link allows you to securely connect your virtual network to Azure services without exposing your data to the public internet. It simplifies the network architecture and secures the connection between endpoints in Azure by eliminating data exposure to the public internet. This is crucial for maintaining security and compliance. Here are the key components of setting up Azure Private Link for Azure Virtual Desktop. Virtual Network. This is where your Azure Virtual Desktop and other resources reside. Private Endpoint. This is a private IP address within your virtual network used to access the Azure Virtual Desktop service. This is a network interface that connects you privately to the Azure service. Azure Virtual Desktop. This is the desktop and applications you provide to your end users. The Azure Private Link service allows you to securely access Azure Virtual Desktop without exposing it to the public internet. It acts as a bridge, enabling communication between your virtual network and the Azure Virtual Desktop infrastructure. With Private Link, your users can access Azure Virtual Desktop securely from anywhere using a VPN or express route. This setup not only improves security, but also ensures a seamless user experience. Here are some best practices to keep in mind. Always use private endpoints for all Azure Virtual Desktop components. Ensure your DNS settings are correctly configured. Regularly monitor and update your network security settings. Issue 1. Unable to capture network traffic. This can happen when Network Watcher's packet capture feature fails to capture the desired network traffic. The solution. First, ensure that the Network Watcher is enabled in the Azure portal. Then, verify that the necessary permissions are granted to the user or service principal attempting the packet capture. Finally, check the targeted network interface and security group rules to ensure they allow the traffic you want to capture. Issue 2. Unable to diagnose network issues. Sometimes you may face difficulties in diagnosing network issues using Network Watcher's troubleshooting capabilities. The solution. Start by verifying that the Network Watcher is enabled for the target virtual network. Next, ensure that the necessary Network Watcher resources, such as network diagnostic tools and connection monitor, are correctly configured and deployed. Finally, check the network security group rules and routing tables to identify any misconfigurations that may be causing the issue. Issue 3. Difficulty in analyzing network traffic. When troubleshooting network issues, it's essential to effectively analyze network traffic captured by Network Watcher. The solution: use Azure Network Watcher's Traffic Analytics feature to analyze captured network traffic. Leverage Traffic Analytics' advanced filters, visualizations, and query capabilities to gain insights into the traffic patterns, identify anomalies, and troubleshoot network issues more efficiently. To summarize, Azure Network Watcher provides powerful tools to monitor and troubleshoot your network. By following the solutions we've discussed, you can overcome common issues and maximize the capabilities of Network Watcher.